Ito yung ating inner unit townhouse here in Amaya Series na Valley. So yan, may provision ka for 1 car park. Ang floor area nito ay 65 square meter. So ayan, para may idea ka kung paano siya ayusin. O diba? So if you are a small family, convenient tumira dito. So, meron ka pang konting space sa likod for your washing machine. Ayan. So, may area ka pa dito. Let's go sa second floor. So, meron tayo ditong 3 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath. So, this is our second bedroom. Currently, nasa 5.7 M ang presyo nito. And through bank financing. Since the Valley is an exclusive and premier subdivision, ang downside niya lang actually ay walang commute. So, dapat required talaga na may kotse ka. So, ever since na nag-market ako dito sa Nuvali, as in, never ako nakakita ng tricycle. Yan. Kaya, yung security niya, alam mong ganun kaganda. Kasi hindi siya pwedeng pasukin ng kung sino-sino. Diba? So, that's it. If you have questions, just let me know.